But this time it totally woke me up.
Willow, get your stick.
What are you doing?
Willow, where's your stick? Get the stick. Get your stick. Where is it? Willow, go get your stick. She's blowing bubbles. That's good. Willow, where's the stick? Can you get it? Get it. Just jump. You can get it. So bad.
You're getting braver.
Come on, girl. Do it. Do it. Oh, you can get it.
You're so close.
You can get it. Come on.
She just needs to know that she can swim.
Mm-hmm. If I weren't in white shorts, I'd go out there. Good girl. Yeah. Do it, do it. You can get it. You can get it. Come on.
Yum.
Cheater. Okay, well, she's learned she can breathe in the water. Mm-hmm.